if any of these projections are halfway correct. It's going to cost amounts of money that make this stuff we're talking about trivial.
Am I correct? Mike, are you going to be like Oprah?
I'm not going to be like Oprah.
Oh.
But it is our commitment to certain universal values which allows us to correct our imperfections, to improve constantly, and to grow stronger over time.
That's a mistake, and it's one that we'll help to correct.
And anyone who says the contrary certainly would have to prove this. Any case, just one case, where the proper authority has not acted in a correct way, that the competent authorities have not punished anyone who has abused their authority, whether they be police officers, whether they be soldiers, or anyone else.
Know if this is also correct, but I understand that a federal health board will sit in judgment of medical procedures and protocols to impose guidelines on all providers when to withhold certain types of care. Like, what is the point you get to when we say, I'm sorry that this cannot happen? And
as a child, I had a polio, and I had a serious set surgeries, 52 of them, to correct my poor obstructions of bones. Between here, Denver, Montrose, and the Mayo Clinic in Phoenix, Arizona.
I was just told this is called the Bat Cave. Is that correct? Mike, thank you for your many years of public service and your outstanding leadership at the National Counterterrorism Center. And a wonderful member of Congress, I believe this is your district, is that correct, Mike? Mike Capuano, please.
All of the movements have to flow smoothly and succinctly, along with correct timing, to ensure that their experience in the United States is positive and productive.
This is correct, yes.
But we do have to correct our long-term fiscal course. And I want to correct a flaw that's already placed an unnecessary bookkeeping burden on too many small businesses, and I appreciate the Chamber's help in doing that.
Correct? I was.
Correct that? Anyone who has signed some pledge to protect every single tax loophole so long as they live, they should be called out. They should have to defend that unfairness.
Thanks to the high degree of transparency or openness in which we operate, it is increasingly possible for us to identify, pinpoint, and correct any management problems.